You want to replace the ear pads on your Audeze Maxwell headphones. My name is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's start. Okay, this is going to be super simple. Audeze, thank you so much for making the ear pads so easy to replace. So in order to remove the ear pads, you are simply going to twist them to that way, away from you. Okay, this is one side, and this is the other side. All right, ear pads are off. Now, to replace the ear pads, I'm going to be using our Wicked Cushions ear pads. If you want to hear more about our ear pads, stay to the end of this video and I'll tell you a little bit about them. By the way, if you are going to use Wicked Cushions ear pads, they are thicker. So what I do recommend is if the clamping force after having those thicker cushions is too much, move the headband to the longest notch. Okay, for me, I had to move it to the longest notch and it alleviated the pressure and it's super comfortable. If it's still comfortable for you in the middle, then go for it. All right, so one thing you should know about the ear pads is that they have a right side and a left side. Obviously you can tell by the middle. And they also have a top and a bottom. You can also tell by the middle if the R is going to be upside down, it means the ear pad is upside down. But you also have a seam that marks the bottom of the ear pad. Okay, now let's start with the left side. So if we twisted the ear pad to the opposite side, basically away from us in order to remove, we're simply going to do the opposite. So we're going to find the sweet spot where it lets the ear pad go in. Okay, and now we are going to twist it towards us. All right. Let's go to the other side. Again, find that sweet spot with the seam at the bottom. Find the sweet spot until it lets the ear pad go in and then twist it. And that is it. Now, let's talk about the Wicked Cushions ear pads a little bit. These are the originals, and to compare, these are our WC Freeze. Actually, let's compare apple to apple. Our right side and right side. So, our WC Freeze, if you've known them before, have cooling gel on the top layer and on the inside layer. The top layer is also made out of airweave fabric, and the sides are made out of PU leather. Our ear pads are noticeably thicker than the original on the thicker side, and they are also noticeably thicker on the thinner side of the ear pad. If you know us, you know that we also make designs like our Geo Gray. You've seen the 90s black before, and you've seen the red camo, and we will have more coming up. And of course, you probably noticed the headband. At the time of making this video, the headband is still not available, but it will be eventually. And that is it. If you want to try these out, simply click at the link at the top right corner right now or in the description below and let me know what you think. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.